If you told me 5 years ago that journaling will be one thing that will change my life, I would have said you are crazy. But can I tell you something? It changed my life, and especially on my weight loss journey. One common question I get asked by my client is, what do I write? Where do I start? And in today's video, I am going to show you how, because one day I was like you. I did not know what to write, how to start it, but today I am in a good place. It has changed my life, not just my weight loss journey, also in other areas like finances, my spiritual growth. It has really changed my life. And in today's video, that is how I am gonna break it down in simplicity on how you can understand it. And I hope that this video will inspire you. If you're new here, hi, my name is Winnie James and welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you and I love you so deeply. Thank you for being here. You make my life so beautiful. In this channel, we explore weight loss hacks and also becoming the best version of yourself. How do you start journaling? You have to have your why. If you don't have your why, it will just be like any other notebook in your bag or beside your bed. Most people who suffer depression and anxiety are advised to keep a journal so that they can write down their thoughts, their emotions, their feelings, to help them gain the control of their emotions, their thoughts, and also to improve their mental health. And because today we are talking about journaling for weight loss, this will help you to know when you get to your why do you want to lose weight? That is where you start, because why do you want to journal? Because you want to lose weight. And why do you want to lose weight? So that is where you start. Now you have your why. Number 2, when to journal. I would say record daily. If it is not on paper, it is vapor. One day, a client of mine asked me, Winnie, I don't eat as much, but I keep gaining weight. So what could be the problem? And I said to her, there could be 10 other things, 10 other reasons why you're not losing weight and why you keep on gaining weight. But that one cannot be handled on the street. Book an appointment and we look at your lifestyle, and then we can be able to tackle that to see what could be the problem. So to cut the long story short, she booked an appointment. We went through her lifestyle, and I gave her my first package, which comes with a journal. And after a week, she came back and reported that already she knew where the problem is, even without me telling her that this is where we need to start working on. Would you like to know what she said? Comment yes in the comment section. Because of writing her meals every single day, everything that she eats, she was able to identify her problem. Because most of the time we think we don't eat as much. Wait until you start putting down on a paper. That is when you realize, hey, kume nakulanga kabisa. Yes, so record it daily and record everything. When to record, when to journal, every single day. That is where you start. Now you have your why, when to journal. Let us look at what to write on the journal. Yes, so you can write anything, your thoughts, your feeling, your progress, all these things. That's why we said from the beginning, you need to have your why, because your why is what guides you what to write down. Personally, I currently have 2 journals. One is for my spiritual growth. This is where I write my dreams, my vision, things that God is downloading into my spirit, the Bible verses that are changing my life, the revelation that I'm getting, Then when I say dreams, I don't mean the dreams that we say, my dream car, my dream house. No, I mean the ones that you dream, the one that God gives you visions when you're not yourself, when He takes you somewhere else. Those ones are the ones that you write it down, because you might be going through something and think that He's saying this, or else He's saying something else. So I have that one for my spiritual growth, and then I have the other one for my other life, and that one has prompts. I have it here, I will show you. Yeah, it is like this. It's a big one. I record it every day. I record my moods, my thoughts, everything. I record it here. But for my for my spiritual growth, it doesn't have prompts. No, it doesn't have prompts. I just write whatever comes in my mind. If it is a dream, it doesn't have these ones. So that one, I write whatever comes in my mind when I am praying. There is something that is dropped in my spirit. Maybe I'm reading the word, there is an inspiration or revelation. That is where I write. So that one doesn't have prompts, but this one for general life, it has prompts, and I love this one. And with prompts, they are very good. If you can get a journal with prompts, they are very good, because you are able to go deep to your thoughts without thinking, what do I write here? And don't worry if you can't get hold of one that has prompt. You can just get any notebook, and then you can section it. You say this is for this one for spiritual growth, this one is for finances, this one is for this. All those things, you can do it. It doesn't have to have prompt. But if you can get, if you're starting up, it is good to have one that has prompt. It helps you because it triggers you. If it asks you your mood, you'll be like, you go deep to your thoughts, your feelings, how at that particular time you're feeling, and you'll be able to record your feeling. And when you read it through, you are able to tell where you are at. And I take it as a letter writing to my generations. That is how I take journaling. I take it as letters writing to my generation, so that they will read. Yes. So in a weight loss journey, record everything. Record your meals, from breakfast, lunch, dinner, a biscuit that you're given by your friend at work, a sweet that you're given, a piece of chocolate, tea that you had, how many sugars was in that tea. You know, write it down. Make sure you write it down. And you say, be said every day. And you write it down, you will realize where your problem is, and you will stop blaming sugar and carbs. And start having a healthier life. Take it like letter you're writing to your generation. Yes, that they will read that our grandma overcame the fad diets in the year 2025, and she started living a healthier life, and they will be inspired, just like we are inspired today by the letters of the epistles. The Bible says, write down your vision. Write it down. So I know it is cute, it is organized. When you're doing it on digital platform, it is so cute, it is lovely, but there is just something different with it when you put a pen on a paper. There is just a feeling, a different. There's something that it triggers. It is not just you typing. There is something that it triggers from the inside. There is something that you connect. You connect when you're writing down. And I know God knew what He was saying when He said, write it down. Write it down. So write it down. What is that you want? If it is that weight loss, write it down that you're 85 and you want to get to 65. Write it down and then record your journey to that. This one will help you even later in years to come. You have somewhere that you can go back and say, this is where I started and this is where I am. Okay? That is how you start changing your life. If you are able to do that, if you are suffering from depression or anxiety, you can get a journal, record your thoughts, record your feelings, your emotions. If it is finances, get one. Whatever area in your life that you want maybe to grow, you want a change, I would advise you get a journal. It is a life changing, because when you write it down, there's just something. It's just something happens when you write it down. There's something that you connect with it. It is just amazing. It is beautiful. You can only know the feeling and understand when you start writing. So start it today. And that is how you change your life, simple, in a simple mathematic. In a simple way. And we are talking about weight loss. So we said we'll start by knowing your why, and your why is weight loss. So that is why you want to start journaling. And when you start journaling, you record it every single day. That is when you journal. You record it every single day, because if it is not on paper, it is vapor. And number 3, you record your meals. What to write down? What to write down is what? It's your meal, including everything and all things around you. Alright, so I hope this video inspires you to start your journey of weight loss if you have not started. And if you're on a weight loss journey, I hope that this one will inspire you even to get better. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with someone who needs to start a journey of weight loss. Be the person who shares good content, not just the memes. God bless you. Love you. See you until next time. Balance, enjoy, and thrive. Peace.